lemon, jaljeera powder, sugar, salt and water. So first I will pour some water in it. I will squeeze some lemon. I am using strainer to avoid the seeds. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now I will add some mint leaves. Then some jaljeera powder. Some salt as per taste. Now it's time to add sugar. Some more. Now I will blend all the ingredients. All the ingredients are blended properly, so now I will strain it into the glass jar and serve it. Tasty, I am loving it. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.